vlog. So as you guys can see, I got my hair done, which I'll be showing you guys later. So nakalimutan ko mag-film ng intro, so nag-film muna ako right now, and let's do a little haul as well. But let me just explain to you guys what's the content for today's vlog. I just wanted to share with you guys how I spent today because we do have a couple of stuff to do. Hair done, eyelashes done, and packed for an upcoming beach trip. So dapat pupunta kami ng Boracay for my grandma's birthday. Kaso lang because of the rising COVID cases, we had to move it. So sa birthday ko na lang kami magbo-Boracay, hopefully. Pero in 2 days, we're going to Batangas. So road trip lang yon. Sure na matutuloy siya. I'm gonna be vlogging that. Actually, baka mas mauna yung mga vlogs na yun kesa this one. Because sa vlog din na to, I'm gonna do a little haul of some NIVEA products that I ordered off Lazada. Because by the time I'm uploading this, meron silang mga deals. Sobrang exciting. Unahin ko muna yung products na may upcoming deals on May 11. And that's also my birthday. Which means, sabay-sabay tayo mag-check out sa birthday ko sa Lazada. Because guys, itong mga deals I share ko sa inyo, you don't wanna miss it. So anyways, first is the Extra White Smooth and Firm Body Lotion. And this contains 400 ml. You guys, it's gonna be buy one take one on May 11. Take note of that. I'll leave the link down below para pwede nyo na din i-add to cart. Tapos, i-check out nyo na lang sa May 11. So, imagine naman guys, you're getting 2 items for the price of 1. Sobrang sulit na yun. And we all need lotion because this one is a lotion that is extra white, keeps your skin smooth and firm. We don't want our skin dry naman, and I feel like this is such an essential and should be part of your routine sa mornings, sa night. So, yeah, I got this one. Okay, I'm sorry if the lighting is kind of changing. I am just dependent on natural lighting. But anyways, this one is their anti-perspirant extra whitening quick dry 48-hour protection, 10 skin nutrients and vitamins. This one is 150 ml, so it's a spray deodorant. And again guys, buy one take one siya. My auntie uses this. She asked me to buy her, and sakto buy one take one. So yan, mag-hoard din ako sa kanya sa May 11 because sulit na din talaga guys. As in, it's like getting the other one nga for free. So, such a steal talaga yung deals na to. The next item that's also going to be buy one take one is their Micellar Skin Breathe Extra White 3-in-1 Caring Cleanser. So again, buy one take one siya guys. And actually yung original na ginagamit ko talaga is this one, yung Fair and Glow. And nakuha ko rin siya ng buy one take one, pero it's not buy one take one ata on May 11. But you guys can also check this one out as well as the line. I like using this and yung foaming cleanser guys, which is papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, yan. I got these micellar waters. Oh my gosh, you guys. You know, I'm medyo annoyed na with the lighting. Let's move back a little. Or pag ganyan. Yan. Kasi natatamaan ako ng sunlight. But anyways, the next item that is going to be on a promo on May 11 are these lip scrubs. They're gonna be 30% off on May 11. And I'm so excited. I got a lot. Feel ko mag-giveaway ako neto siguro sa Instagram ko. Or by the end of the video, we'll see. I'm so happy! I can't wait to use these. Hindi ko pa siya na-try, so I can't wait to try it out. And alam ko, okay din gumamit ng lip scrub, lalo na pag gabi before matulog. So, baka i-add ko na to sa skincare routine ko, or night skincare routine ko. So, I got it in the Rose Hip Oil plus Vitamin E. Ito yung pink. Tapos, meron din ng teal color. Ito naman yung aloe vera plus vitamin E. So, I know aloe vera is really good. And then ito naman yung rose hip. So, I can't wait to try this out. For those pala ko also purchased NIVEA products for their brother, their boyfriend, their tito, their dad, their lolo. Yung Men Cool Cake with instant cooling nila is also buy one take one. Just gonna insert the picture right here in case yun yung ginagamit nila. Baka yun yung ginagamit nila. I-add to cart na rin. And I'll leave the link na din down below in case you guys wanna add to cart that for your, I don't know, special someone, brother, dad, tito, lolo. Okay, and then, yeah, yun lang basically. And speaking of men's products, I got this one for my boyfriend because this is the deodorant that he uses. As in, makikita niyo talaga sa previous vlog ko rin a few months ago. Binalad ko rin siya. But this one is the NIVEA Men Anti-Perspirant Invisible for Black and White Original. 48-hour protection. So, nakuha ko siya ng buy one, take one. Next two items are some liquid soap. So, eto ginagamit ko na talaga to kasi binili ko to last time sa haul ko rin. And now, I wanted to try this one out naman. Ito yung blue version niya. So, it's just a cream care soap. 250 ml. Gel as well as this one. Pero ito naman, Cream Soft. So, let's see which one is better. But I feel like they both work well naman. It just really depends on your preference. And we're down to the last two items. I didn't know NIVEA actually sell body washes. So I can't wait to try these ones out. I'll just let you guys know my thoughts and experiences about these soon. Maybe on my Instagram. But I got their Rose and Almond, and then their Star Fruit and Manoy Oil. So ito siya, guys. And if you're wondering, this one is 250 ml. And yeah, that's everything that I got from NIVEA. Again, all the links are listed down below. I don't want to be repetitive, but let me just remind you guys one more time. On May 11, they're gonna be having a bunch of promos. So mostly buy one, take ones for the micellar water, the lotion, the deodorant, and 30% off for their lip scrubs. I'll just insert the clips of me getting my hair done downstairs. Hey guys, so my hair looks so weird right now, but I'm with Ate Pearl and Gash from T-Top, and they're here at home right now because they're gonna be doing my highlights. So I'm excited, but then like I'm not gonna get my hair colored again because I'm scared nga that my hair will get damaged. But they're gonna color it parang a lighter brown ba? Tama ba? Parang mas lighter, no? Para mas visible siya kasi sometimes yung hair ko, diba, hindi siya halata. So it's been a few months since I last highlighted my hair. It was like last year pa. So also curled it para when we take pictures, mas kita siya. So hopefully next time I'm gonna learn how to curl my hair na. And then I also got eyelash extensions. So hindi siya mabigat and hindi naman siya itchy. So I really like it. And then I also changed top. We're just gonna take a few pictures. And then later we'll start packing na for our beach trip. Now let's start packing. If I'm not mistaken, 3 or 4 nights kami doon. So I'm gonna pack saktong clothes. Tapos magdadagdag ako ng 2 to 3 more outfits. Para in case I don't like the particular outfit that I planned or, you know, pang Instagram pictures. So, ito yung current situation ng room ko. Sobrang gulo, guys, kasi I kind of planned it na last night pero hindi ko pa siya sinukat. So, naisip ko, gawin natin is sukatin natin yung items na or outfits na planan ko to see if it looks okay. If not, di natin siya dadalhin. So, yeah, let's not fit all naman. Siguro a few lang kasi minsan nakakapagod din mang fit-fit, diba? So, first outfit is a yes. I'll be bringing this with me to Batangas. I used this one na sa Balisin, itong one-piece swimwear na to. Pero di ko siya na-picturean, so sayang naman. So, susutin natin siya sa Batangas with this denim shorts from Zara. And then ito yung likod niya, guys. Backless. So, I really like the color. I also feel like it's very complimenting sa morena skin ng red. And yeah, basic lang, but it's super cute. Next outfit, I was planning to wear it with this white sandals, but it's a no, guys. The top is so revealing. I feel like if I wear a tube, pero di naman siya masyadong maganda tingnan, so no, di ko na lang susuot itong outfit na to sa Batangas. Third outfit is a yes. It's kind of revealing, but it's because it's a bikini set. It's really meant to be worn sa beach, so yun nga, we're packing for a beach trip naman. So, okay to sa beach. Just don't wear this out, you guys. But yeah, pag nasa beach, ang sobrang cute na ito. May other colors din to. I just ordered it online. And I really like it. Sobrang cute na ng color niya. This next one naman, guys, is a yes. Medyo bukas lang yung zipper sa side. I need help for that kasi hindi ko magawa ng sarili ko. But it's so cute. Sobrang cute ng skirt. I like it. And then I'll wear white sandals with this one. So, okay, guys, so I saw this top in my closet and it made me think na parang mas gusto ko ata to with this skirt. And then ito yung white sandals na I was talking about. Because we would usually go for a plain white or black top with skirts like this loud. So why not go a little more louder with this neon top? So I am actually considering it. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I'm kind of done with the clothes. all I have to do is just put it in sa bag ko later. Pero, let's pack my toiletries. So, this consists my skincare and body care items. So, of course, usually pag nagta-travel, I don't like bringing a lot of items. So, ang ginagawa ko lang usually for my skincare routine, ano lang, facial wash or pang-remove ng makeup and facial wash. So, ang dadalhin ko is NIVEA's Whip Foam Fair and Glow. This one is a caring cleanser. It's Hokkaido Rose and it's 0% alcohol. I really like this one because it's very gentle on my face. It's very glowy, perfect for the summer because we want to achieve that summer glow, you know. And yeah, it's a whip foam. So, when I apply it sa face ko, iniikot-ikot ko lang siya and foamy siya. So, I like this one. I'm gonna be bringing this with me. To remove my makeup, I either bring micellar water or wipes. So, I don't have a travel size version of this, but let's bring this one kasi I'm sure makikigamit yung mom ko sa akin. So, I'm gonna be bringing the micellar Skin Breathe Extra White 0% alcohol. Ito yung buy one take one on May 11. And magdadala rin ako ng round puffs. So, wala akong lalagyan. And since naka-car naman kami, maraming space, I'm just gonna bring the whole thing. Dito ko siya ilalagay, guys. Yan. So, we're also gonna be bringing this one pang remove ng eye makeup. So, yan. Dadalhin natin itong mga to. And we also need, of course, a lip scrub. Ang dadalhin ko na lang siguro is, actually no, why not bring both, diba? Kasi meron naman akong dalawa. So, bubuksan ko na siya, guys. Let's see how it looks like. Oh my gosh, ang cute ng packaging. And let's smell it. It does smell like aloe, you guys. In fairness, ang bango niya. I can't wait to use this one. Let's smell the pink one naman. Ito yung Rose Hip with vitamin E. Ang bango niya rin, guys. Oh my gosh! I'll bring these two with me. Yan. So, ito yung mga current toiletries ko. We also have a feminine wash, of course. Body wash, yung shampoo, nasa CR, mamaya na lang yun. This one, guys, my nipple tape, we'll put it in here rin. Yan, so, complete tayo. I guess that's pretty much it, no? Lahat ng skincare ko. Ay, wait. Yeah, all of this. And sunblock! I forgot sunblock. Oh my gosh, wait. For my sunblock, of course, NIVEA pa rin. Ito yung binili ko last time. Ginagamit ko yung blue one, Protect and White. It's a whitening sun protection face cream with SPF 50. So, since we're going to the beach, let's use this one, you guys. Yeah. I'll link this down below rin. So, yeah, this is... Actually, I'll remove this kasi sobrang fat niya pala. But, yeah, these are all the toiletries that I'm gonna be bringing. Puno na siya, guys. And now, let us put all the items that I'm gonna be bringing in my bag. So, good evening, you guys. So it's much later now. I am done packing. Although my room is kind of messy, but you know, I am gonna be just fixing that tomorrow because I am just so exhausted. I am just taking off my makeup right now, and I remembered to end the vlog for today, and I am using the Micellar Skin Breathe Extra White. So first time ko siyang gagamitin, and so far so good. Ayan, very gentle lang siya on the face, and my makeup is very minimal, so it takes off my makeup pretty quick naman. Ayan. And maganda din to kasi extra white siya. So, again, please don't forget NIVEA's deals on my birthday, May 11. Saktong-sakto, no? So, sabay-sabay tayo mag-check out, guys. Also, if you guys haven't seen my Batangas vlogs, kasi by the time this is uploaded, mas nauna ko yan na-upload. So, I'll just put it here sa taas and sa link down below. So, stay tuned na lang for those videos para makita niyo naman para saan tayo nag-pack, diba? For that trip. So, you guys can see what we did there. I guess that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to be part of the Lexy Rodriguez fam, to get updated and notified every time I post a new video. And follow me on my social media sites, Instagram, Twitter, and on TikTok. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are all staying safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!